Whole heap of guns and ammunition interception at the Kingston airport in Jamaica.
Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Life TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lion, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV. We say give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks for another day. And I mean, life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. You see me, all the way for dead one day, all the salvation lasts forever. Yeah, man, big up everybody on platform, you know. Big up my loyal fans, them, musician artists, and they don't know for the vlogging channel. You see it? Yeah, man. So in this episode, you know, we talk about the guns that them find at the Kingston airport, wharf there. You see me? Yeah, man, big interception, and well done to the police and the customs, them, and you know, tired of the crime and violence, my viewers and subscribers. Whoever is doing that, you know what I mean? You know, woe be unto them. You see me? Not a conscience. But anyway, we are forward.
No love now show up badness a chop. New recruiter try if he broke him nut. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing pipe and cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Yes, man, tired and fed up by it. You know, one of the songs I'm off my EP, Welcome to Kingston. You don't know the EP out there already. Couple months now. Is what I say. If you haven't listened it yet, I'm asking if you're listening ears, please go and check it out. But may I leave the link with all of the songs them in the pinned in the comment section. As I say. Yes, man. So the other day, the police them and you know and customs them, the law abiding citizens customs them of Jamaica. Yeah. Cause you know you have some in every high places you have corruption and low places too. You see me? You have corruption. Nobody is perfect. Just remember that. You see it. So yeah, man. Only for guns and ammunition, you know what I mean, it was seized and we got shown still. But me I said Jano star. Jano. Watch where I go.
During our joint operation between Jamaica Custom and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, in particular the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, the Firearm Trafficking Unit, a total of 64 assorted 9mm pistols were intercepted, and along with 965 9mm rounds and 107 magazines. The interception took place at the port of Kingston. This operation started earlier on this morning, somewhere about 8 o'clock, and it is still ongoing. This reinforces the importance of collaboration and interdependency, and that's what we have been doing as a group of law enforcement agencies. We are getting better at our collaboration, and I want to express our gratitude to the level of support that we are getting from the Jamaica Custom during our investigations into especially firearm trafficking. There are 2 persons that have been taken into custody so far, and I want to say that the firearms actually came from the United States of America, and oftentimes we hear about the problem of violence, especially gun violence and murder in Jamaica, and I want to make an appeal to the Jamaican citizens who actually are creating the significant problem that we have in Jamaica. They are the ones who are sending the firearm, and I am appealing to the diaspora to sort of engage the citizen and encourage them to desist from this type of destructive activity that is actually preventing them from coming to Jamaica to enjoy the paradise that we have.
Yes, man. So you know, Chief Inspector speak, you know what I mean? And he's reiterating the citizens to cooperate and work with them, you know. He's also reiterating the niceness of Jamaica. You know, once the crime and violence stop or lower down, people will feel more confident and happy, comfortable to come back home. You know. So the visitors them from outside, the tourists them. Zine. But when the crime and violence stemming and getting higher and higher, People now feel comfortable to come back home. You know, and as I can see, oh, and holy gun. So much guns, so much rounds of ammunition, magazines, you know much lives safe right now from this are saved. Because all of them gun they them are turn upon them one another. Youths will grow together. You see me? Boys and girls will grow together and turn enemies. You see me? When you have a gun in your hand, you become the powerful man. You feel like you're the powerfulest man in the world. You feel like you're untouchable, like you're a king. And you not think twice. Gun are destruction, gun are the devil. You see me? Yeah. Soldier and police have to use gun because a part of the system. But the man them have the legal firearm. No, destruction. And the people them we are sending it into, they can't understand. You know, all the, as I hear the police say, all of these guns are coming from the United States, and not England, and not Canada. Always United States. Because United States guns is easy accessible. Easy to get a gun. Easy to buy a gun. You see me? That's why I would live in America still. Because the gun law, you know, I see too much gun in America. Legal and illegal. You see me? But anyway, yeah man, it's not right, man. The people them are sending the gun, them do have a conscience. A good you know, some people just buy them up because them get them to buy easy and cheap. And them find a way to try sending them to find them luck or them a link with the customs. As I hear the police say 2 person has been arrested, apprehended. But at the end of the day, it still not look good for sister so much gun a shipping in the country. And inoculated up the country and infest the country with crime and violence. I'm a man of peace. And I can't tell nobody how to live them life, but you have to think, how can you live America where you're safe and sound? Well, nowhere is safe. But America, you're more, you know? England, Canada, you're more liable to live long and peacefully, and, you know? Yeah. How can you do America safe where you know, say, yeah? But you still send back guns to your country, illegal guns. You know what I mean? Your country no good, man. That same guns good at turn pan your family, we are sending them in. And not just the truth, just the facts. Is it my viewers and subscribers? John no star, I tell you, it's disappointing, you know? Disappointing. But let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers, if you agree with me when I say, is it? But you know, it don't look good. So much guns, you know? And well done to the customs, them will find it. Yeah. Kudos to the customs, them will find it and inform the police, the right authorities. You see me? We couldn't allow that to touch the streets of Jamaica because violence, as I see, the violence now done, the violence now end. All over Jamaica, the violence now end. It may cool long for a while, then it boil up again. And when, as I said before, when you have a gun in your hand or when the scheme of the community get more guns, who's in access of it feel untouchable and feel like say them ready to go step again. And more life at end. Friend I kill friend. John no star. What happened to them? We tired and fed up by it, man. Too much violence in the place. You know, the whole Kingston 11, 12, 13, Kingston 2, the whole Jamaica, the whole Kingston, the whole country. Please, me I beg gonna stop the crime and violence. Stop the war. Is it? And the man of peace, Lionfoot. Blessed love. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie, Jah, Rastafari.
Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.